Namaste dear friends, I am Kavi Gyani Hindustani. Now I am on my fourth live, as every day I do 5 times live since 24th April, and 4 times live since 4th April I give 4 times live, and since 24th May every day I give 5 times live. This is my fourth live, in which I have to say some word about uh, health awareness in English. First of all, I want to have a prayer, uh, saying a prayer, a Baha'i prayer about health awareness, or wishing for good health for everyone. So this is a great short poem of or the prayer for composed by Baha'u'llah, the messengers of God, according to Baha'i faith. So this is a very short uh, prayer by Baha'u'llah. First of all, I want to uh, say or chant this prayer. Thy name is my healing, O my God, and remembrance of Thee is my remedy. Nearness to Thee is my hope, and love for Thee is my companion. Thy mercy to me is my healing and my succor in both this world and the world to come. Thou really art the all-bountiful, the all-knowing, the all-wise. Thou really art the all-bountiful, the all-knowing, the all-wise. And one more prayer written by Swami Shivanand Ji Maharaj, the founder of Divine Life Society. O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto Thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient. Thou art Satchidananda, existence, consciousness, bliss absolute. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion, wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptation and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, hatred, anger and jealousy. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold Thee. Let us behold Thee in all Thy names and forms. Let us serve Thee in all Thy names and forms. Let us ever remember Thee. Let us ever sing Thy glories. Let Thy name be ever on lips. Let Thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Thank you. So today, because I don't have sufficient time to tell something important, I just want to say that for maintaining our good health, we must have awareness in our mind. We must do whatever can be done through our simple efforts, like every day taking bath and making ourselves making clean. We should observe good habits, follow good habits to clean ourselves. Our clothes should be cleaned and so many good things. And we should not take or we should not be habitual for taking all those things that have acids, like tea or so many including milk also. Dairy products are also not very good for us, especially if we use very much fruits uh, and plants, raw materials, the raw stuff, because raw uh, raw plants like vegetables, fruits, etc., they are very important for giving us vitamin C and other nourishment. So if we take much use of these things, especially if we use tulsi also, that is also important, that we should not use milk. We should avoid these things because this can be harmful for us. So we should. It is better if we leave, if we can leave these tea, etc. Especially tea is harmful if, with milk. If we take tea just before without milk, it can be useful. But if we take tea with milk, it is harmful. Secondly, wine is also very bad for good health, and it affects very much. And even if we use sanitizer because it has alcohol, we should avoid because alcohol kills our dendritic cells. That is very important. That plays very important role for making our cells healthy. So now I want to say just so many things, but today because I don't have sufficient time, at last I also want to say that we should avoid all the packet foods, all those edible things which we get from the market, because they in the packets, because mostly they have chemicals. So chemicals are harmful for us. So now I want to conclude my this fourth live. Tomorrow I hope that I will give sufficient time to say my word. So thank you very much for listening me. Namaste. Jai Hind.